Hey everyone, today we are here to fake a webcam. Download this software OBS. The link is available in the description. Your OBS software looks somewhat like this. obsproject.com. Download this. And then you need to download this virtual cam if it's not being installed in default. Like once you install this, it will be installed in default. If it's not done, then you have to download this. The link of the same is given in the description. And then straight away jump onto your OBS once it's installed. Your OBS looks somewhat like this. Here under the scenes bar, go create a new scene, name it whatever you want. Then under the sources, add a source. Here you'll find a video capture device, add that. Like if you want, you can configure your video. I'll keep it to 60 Hz. And okay. And then you have a toolbar over here. Just press start recording. Record a video of yourself for some 10 seconds. Like you shoot a big one. For the demonstration purpose, I'll be shooting a short one over here. Then after shooting the video, go to the sources toolbar again, add a media source, browse for your media source which you shot just now. Here's mine, and don't forget to loop it. Okay, so this is my video. Now you'll find the start virtual camera button on the controls bar. Just click it. Your virtual camera is started now. We'll check it with Google Meet once. Like you might face this once you start your Google Meet or any of the live sessions, like live session app if you use. Just go to settings, go to video. There would be your HD webcam, normal webcam. Just switch that to OBS camera. Once you're done with that, you're good to go. That's it, my friends. Thank you.